How's it going? Today I want to talk about this folding table. Now this folding table is a small table, but it has a lot of charm to it. It's got this nice faux wood type finish on top, and the bottom are going to be the metal legs. Now turning this over to the bottom, there is one specific way that this has to go. One side is going to go first before the other. So we're going ahead and push this down. The springs, there's double springs on both sides. So if you let go of this, it will kind of shut fairly quickly. So you do want to kind of be gentle with it. You want to push your hand here in the middle, and then you can go ahead and lower this one in place. Now you can see how flat this is. So it's easy to store underneath a bed, in a closet, wherever. And then if you want to pull it out, whether you're going to set up like a computer, maybe you're going to have it just posted up to put some decorations like in an entryway, you just go ahead and fold this back out. When it locks, it absolutely locks in place, so you don't have to worry about this collapsing. And there's no additional things to lock by hand. It just automatically does that. So as you can see, this is what we have. The feet at the bottom are twist adjustable. So if this is not level, you can twist the feet to make sure that you have a nice solid plane. And it's lightweight. It looks like it's heavy duty because these squares are nice and thick, but you know, they're hollowed out. So it does have a little bit of lightness to it. So if you do want to transfer this to like a pop-up show, or maybe you want to take it to play cards or something along those lines, you can just kind of easily maneuver this around without having a lot of strain because the weight's low. Very nice top, very solid, definitely a good utility table that also folds down so you can store it away if need be.